Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, country squad, country boy, nuclear, silent Ross, who else? 306, Trinibas, Malcolm, undocumented. Everybody who I remember, big up on yourself and all the subscribers and non-subscribers. Remember, check out the WhatsApp, the Patreon, we have the Instagram, we have TikTok, we have Twitch, we have all of the social things that are going. Alright. Look at the screen in front of you. I am taking you to Guyana. Pretty much Georgetown, Guyana. But I'm taking you to Georgetown and the outskirts, some of the outskirts. But this is Guyana. On the left, you have Denzel Grant, aka Mob. Him run with the Cayenne man there. On the right, you have Teelan Allen, aka Spoiled Child. Him run with the Linden man there. Now, them two youth here, them have some disagreement. So the rumor say, over clientele and money people are sell people client. And a big thing jump off because of all of that. So, me I go move on with the story and me I tell you now how it go down and what happened. And we have a couple more players for meet. In the meantime, just remember to share the story them because I realize it's doing a lot of good for the people them in the Caribbean diaspora and beyond. Now, meet some more players. You see the youth in the blue? Him name Ian Williams. Them call him OG. That Spoiled Child. Cousin. Spoiled Child up on the left. Him have the red thing on him red towel. That's a Tian Allen, aka Spoiled Child. That's a Spoiled Child cousin. Now, the lady right there, so she is Mr. Denzel Grant mother. That's Denise Grant. And to the right is Mr. Denzel Grant. Now, like me say, some things they jump off with the man on the far left, Tian, and the man on the far right. One of them a Linden man them, and the other man them a Cayenne. After it jump off, things get from bad to worse. The youth here, him on the right, beat up Tian Allen man them, and then Tian come back and blow some greens from Mr. Denzel. I call him Mr. Denzel like him was some big time actor. A dirty kind of boy Denzel. That me fi say. Mother house. When Spoiled Child, me I call him Spoiled Child for argument's sake. Blow the greens on the lady there, and she did get knocked. But it wasn't bad and she go to the hospital. After that, Mr. Denzel put the word out for a spoiled child and them catch him cousin and fling with him cousin. And that me I go talk about next. Let's move on. The youth them on the left, the Linden man there. What them do? Them corral OG. You understand? But how them deal with it? Them use mob car and abandon the car and burn it up. So comes police, they end up go for mob mother. May I tell you no more about that? Let's move on. Okay. On the left, you have the Cayenne man them. And them man there, get rid of the youth in the blue. Mr. Ian Williams, otherwise known as OJ. Him, a spoiled child, the youth in the red cousin. Now, fast forward, after them fling where Mr. OJ, Mr. grandmother did get caught up in it because a fiend car them use mob grand car and go mash the works on OJ and abandon the car. Them have some bumbling crooks them it look like, yo, and abandon the car. So as comes police link them. But after that, spoiled child run away. Him run away from the little town with them there and come to Georgetown. And him there at Georgetown and pull off and I do him thing because he's an ex-police. Him know a whole heap of people. Plus him did get caught up in some other thing in Georgetown and one bag of mix up. But anyways, he might hide out in a Georgetown and he might walk down the road. And all of a sudden, the mute up on the left jump out of a car and blow a bag of grains off of him. It's so end up that him escape and run and blow back. Couple more grains and one of the youth then get touched and them go hospital and as comes police end up charge them with the attempted slapware for the youth there, spoiled child, and then them they done the charge now for him cousin. You understand? Mr. OJ, all of this start from some hustling thing, then them OJ them and him cousin grains up the big man over Cayenne side of town, mother yard, she get touched. Long story short, the girl up on the right, between Mr. OJ and the youth, the spoiled child, she was with OJ and end up get grazed up real bad. So she is a witness in the case against the Cayenne man them. You understand? She is a witness against them. So, fast forward again. Now, Mr. Spoiled Child, that girl over there underneath him, I'm girlfriend, and him end up scream her out, star because without a grains in her head. Now, when this happened, him call police, and I tell police, like a dem man, yeah, where my war with do it, and him no know big shootout. When the police look upon him body and examine the crime scene and everything, them realize the bullet hole where him did have upon him is from an earlier incident with them. Because him did have a shootout, him and 3 other police. The youth, spoiled child, I want dangerous youth. Dangerous police boy, yo. Bigger for them now have nothing upon them youth. Yeah. But, yeah. So, him tell the police, say, the man them, anyways, them investigate and them realize something was funny. And when them do the ballistic check him body and everything and go through everything, them realize him fling with him girlfriend. So now the whole of them in a jail. And at that, me I tell you, all of them in a jail except the youth in the blue. You know where him there. But Spoiled Child and the Linden man them and Kayan man them, all of them in a jail. And the war still a go on. So me no know how them a make it out. As well Bob Marley would have said. So let me tell you something about Guyana. Guyana is not a place to joke with. Guyana is just like Jamaica and just like Trinidad. Guyana have oil now. So the man them a get richer and richer and them have lumber and enough things. So yeah, Guyana are not somewhere to play with. And the moral of the story is we not even know what the moral of the story is, you know. All I know say them youth here is like them not have no respect for life. Them not have no respect for nobody. And it's like them not care what happened to them. That's all me can say. And yeah, them they are jail good riddance. And hopefully make Guyana a better place. And that me say. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hit your notification button. Check out the Patreon page and the WhatsApp page, WhatsApp group and all of them things there. My name is Countryman, I'm out.